Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing a tear down of the Oncam or Oncam Grandeye. First, you just take off this bolt, flip her up, slide her out like that, and then these super complicated, ultra rare screws at either side. Not much to them though, gotta say. God. And not a lot to it, of course. Man, they got so much lettering down there that you can hardly see what's going on. Interesting how these just come across and hook up right there. Isn't that what a circuit board's for? What am I missing here? Why are they doing that? I'm sure there's a good reason. Alright, so yeah, connect with the wire and two other power over there on the left. Pretty sure if I take this out, all I'm going to find is that it's the eye on the other side, but you know what? Let's keep going. We'll do it live. We'll do it live. Yep, this is as I thought. There is the camera. There's nothing I can do with that. It's fixed focus. It is stuck right in there. So yeah, don't think there's anything I've missed. Basically taking this thing apart to the best of my abilities. Actually, I remember there was like an SD slot on here. Oh yeah, right there. Right there. Interestingly enough, SD spot. Probably an on-off button. Micro USB. All the things that anybody could ever want. I wonder what these switches over here are for. Actually, let me take that board out. I wonder if I can just... Nah, maybe I shouldn't even try. Oh yeah, there's lots under there. Yeah, it's definitely a lot going on. Alright, let's take the other one off and see what it has to say. Man, there's a lot going on here. I think Steve Wozniak would be impressed by this, honestly. So much going on. So man, this stuff is really small. I mean, I try to see it with my eyeball, and it just is not happening. And my eyes are pretty good. Like, I've had them tested recently, actually. My mother had me tested. Okay, so maybe I had myself tested. Come on. Come on, focus. Focus. Oh wait, I should probably take this off. That's like a heat sink almost, right? Comes off in chunks. Come on. Now, of course, right now I don't have a tool to do something like this. Otherwise, I'd have like 8 of them. Nothing. Now, there's no way that could be for thermal. That would have to be almost to hold it on. I remember there was an issue with Apple chips once upon a time. There was an issue with Apple. Oh, wait, there is something on there. That's crazy. I could only see it in the camera. But yeah, there was an issue with Apple chips. And the way to fix it would basically be like, hey.
My chances and you're actually here.
Exactly. That was just somebody dropping into the office. Man, it's amazing. This stuff is getting so small. I can't see it with my own eye, but I can see it if I look through the camera. Dang it, I'm getting closer. So sorry, one sec. Get a spudger on this thing real quick. I think that made it worse. It did. Almost need a Mr. Clean Magic eraser. No, I think I'm actually taking off part of the chip. Dang. Sorry, guys. The more I scrub, I'm just scrubbing off top of the chip now. And that's definitely not what I want to do. Let's give it one more test with some rubbing alcohol. That wasn't my best shot ever. Oh, wait, maybe there's a chance. First letters seem to be DM3. DM360 ECE-048, I believe. DM36B ZCE-048. Below it, it says 48A 4B. You know, you can't even tell. But yeah, that's what it says. Anyways, that'll be it for me. Have a good one, folks. Like and subscribe if this stuff has helped you. Really appreciate it. Catch you later.